Des yeux qui font baisser les miens, un rire qui se perd sur sa bouche, voilà le portrait sans retouche de l'homme auquel j'appartiens. Quand il me prend dans ses bras, qu'il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon cœur une part de bonheur dont je connais la cause. C'est lui pour moi pour lui dans la vie. Il me l'a dit, l'a juré pour la vie.
In the Playtime movie, we see the change of the city with the improved technology and new material. In this part, woman tried to take a photo of Paris, but since it's the change part of Paris, she was interrupted by workers. The high-rise buildings took the place of typical buildings. In here, we can notice a uniformity and boredom in these posters, which represents the impact that modern Paris and the modern architecture have effects on these lives of Parisians. The posters represent the cities by an image of high-rise building. However, the true identity of those cities are very different. Those high-rise buildings change the city structure of the area. The continuity and repetition of newly built buildings formed the surrounding of the city.
This repetition of architectural features applied to the interior as well. The working places of employees are simple and identical. This quality creates well-organized spaces for working, which we find smart but ordinary. He was shocked by the orientation of the space. When he goes down to the working area floor, these identical cube-shaped offices confused him with its grid structure.
Thank you. Mrs. Sloan, yes. Vous avez la ligne? Yes. Could you hold him, please? Bessie Mac? Oh, how are you? Yes, I did. Mr. Jones is on 209.
Another problem he has faced was the high technology elevator. The integration of technology into people's life could be vertiginous. New doesn't always mean better. We think that bringing newness to people's life should be step by step. As we see in this scene, even workers can't adapt to the newness and technology of the building. The complexity of technology caused complications in the building. After the 1950s, concrete and glass materials began to be used in construction. When we interpreted with the movie, the glass facade confused him. He walked beside the glass facade and hardly found the entrance.
The main disadvantage of a transparent facade is to be seen from the outside. In this part of the movie, people watch the preparation of the restaurant. Everything is seen obviously. It depicted ultra-modern, cold structure made of steel and glass in the image of a fish tank. The glass material seems unsecured. It highlighted the problem of safety as well. It broke during the event in the restaurant.
Therefore, the privacy was out of control. People who be to be excluded got inside. As a solution, transparent facades can be hidden with a curtain and some kind of shading elements in some needed cases, considering the function inside of the building. In this scene, there is an error with the flow of motion, where as a result, the space is overcrowded and the traffic looks like a tangled mess.